Well, this isn't a video I was exactly planning to be making, nor am I having very much fun making it. But the C5 Corvette is not in very good health. Alright guys, well, the C5 Corvette, for the time being, is pronounced dead. It's going down the highway. So I thought the car just overheated at first, and then I looked and saw many belts not where they are supposed to be. This giant belt that's supposed to be on there is down there now. All shreds of a belt there, but also this was sitting on there. Part of the pulley completely snapped. Came right off. But stuff is wet down here. Coolant came out of that, so the car definitely overheated when the belts broke. But there's no belts on anything anymore. So I lost both belts. No idea how that happened. Then I could feel I lost power steering. And it said reduced engine power, so I was barely crawling on the highway. Wasn't driving like a nut, I swear. So here we are, on the hottest day of the week. At least we have an empty parking lot and we're out of the way.
That'll be the fastest that car's ever gone.
Alright guys, so now finally the Vette is back in my house so that I can fix it myself. This was kind of unexpected. I just left the gym. I'm still in my gym clothes. I was going down the highway. All of a sudden I got a service engine soon. It wasn't even check engine light. It actually came across the screen and said that, and then it kept flashing that. Didn't have a check engine light. My temperature pegged at 260, and this all happened in a matter of seconds. Then across the screen it said reduced engine power, so I knew something was very wrong. My AC was blowing hot air, and I lost power steering. And this was where two highways merged, so there was no place to pull over. I was taking the next exit anyways, so I just coasted off the exit. Had to force the car into a corner because I had no power steering, as I said. So I coasted into a parking lot where I shut the engine off as soon as I possibly could. I could smell coolant. I opened up the hood. There wasn't a lot of steam or anything, but I could clearly tell that belts were shredded, and my idler pulley, as you saw, was actually broken. So as of now, I had to get the car towed home. At least it's here now. I'm gonna order a new idler pulley or tensioner pulley, whatever it's called. Both the new serpentine belt and the AC belt. I don't know why this happened, but as it sits right now, the car is dead. It's not running. And when I do put the new tensioner pulley in, as well as the new belts, I just hope the engine's fine, because it did overheat and it was pegged at 260 degrees. Again, there wasn't anything I could do. I was going down the highway. There wasn't a spot to pull over. So I got the car turned off as soon as I possibly could. Go figure this happens right after I buy another car. It's like the Corvette doesn't like that or something. So hopefully in the next video that I make with the C5 Corvette, that I have good news for you guys. As I said, I'm gonna do that work this week, hopefully the parts come in, and I'll keep you guys updated after I do the pulley, do the belts. When I start it up, I just hope everything's okay, because I really don't want to be replacing a motor. So I will keep you guys updated on the status of the C5 Corvette. For updates for YouTube, go to my Instagram at @drivehub__. Follow me on there in case I post something about this so you guys don't miss it. But that's it for this depressing video. I'll see you guys in the next one, hopefully with good news. Happy motoring.